Hello friends, here on this video how you can fix incoming or outgoing call sound problem on your Realme phone. So friends, before we fix this outgoing call sound problem on your Realme phone, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. If you want to fix your outgoing call sound problem, here you have to move on Google file. Then from here you have to click on apps. After you tap on apps, you have to click on system. Then you have to scroll on the down. Friends, here you have to on the phone. Oh, sorry, not here. Scroll down. On this Android system, you have to click on app info, then click on storage usage, and you have to clear the data. Then click on back button. Scroll on the down. Friends, here you have to click on phone services, three dot. Then click on storage usage and clear the data. By clearing your data or deleting, this will solve your problem. After this, here is the call management. You can manage the calls, okay, under this call management. And after clearing your data, you have to check your phone call software update. Phone call updates, okay, on the Play Store. I don't have network right now to show you to update how to check the updates on your Play Store, okay, all the apps updates. And friends, after following the steps, you just open your call app. Who knows your call app already working? And if it doesn't work, the mic doesn't working, okay, call sound doesn't work, then just press on your call app and click on this information, then click on permissions, and you have to allow call logs, camera, contacts, microphone, notification, phone. You have to allow this all. See, if you don't allow this microphone, then you cannot talk, okay. You cannot talk, or you cannot someone who is calling you cannot hear your voice, okay, if you don't activate this all, okay. That's why you have to allow this all the permissions. So friends, hope you loved the video, and if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.